Hello everyone, today I got this SmallRig Encore DT30 desk mount with me, so I quickly wanted to share my thoughts on it. Without any further delay, let's jump into the unboxing. Inside the box we have 4 items, one desk mount stand, one detachable holding arm, one ball head and a ring light adapter. Here are some of the important specs of this desk mount. One thing you should know is according to the SmallRig, it can hold up to 3 to 10 kgs weight, but usually in most of our work setups we don't need more than a couple of kgs. Turn this knob counterclockwise until there is enough space so that this clamp can fit onto your desk. Now attach the desk mount to your table, then turn the knob clockwise until the mount fits perfectly to the table. You can give it a good shake and decide if it is sturdy enough, then you don't need to tighten it anymore. This is how it looks after we attach it to the table. This horizontal arm can be attached to any extension rod. You can unscrew the extension rods or you can directly attach the horizontal bar to the base rod, so you can choose the height that you need. To extend the rods, simply turn this knob counterclockwise, then pull up the rod inside. Once you set up the height, simply tighten the knob. This is the ring light adapter that comes in the box. It can be attached directly on top of the desk mount. You can quickly attach the horizontal bar using the clamp. According to the SmallRig, horizontal bar can hold on to 2.2 pounds or 2 kilograms of weight. I actually tested the horizontal bar with the mic. I think it's around 600 grams. It actually held on to the mic very nicely without any shake. I also tested this setup by attaching another light that I got on top of my desk mount. You can see how the light looks on the mounts. These two things, they don't weigh that much. So what I actually did was I tried attaching my Sony cam because it has a weight of around 1.4 kilograms. Actually the horizontal bar was going down just a little bit. It's not too much, but it was not giving me too much confidence either. I was not comfortable doing that at all. I actually left it there for an hour to see if anything breaks, but it held on to the camera nicely. Overall, the build quality for the price is good. I think this will do the job for me and most people out there. Although this thing is very nice, but do not expect it to hold on to weights given in the product description, like 2 kilos of horizontal bar weight and 10 kgs for desk mount weight. But if you think about it practically, we don't need to put such weights on it. But in case if you have to put that kind of weight, I think you should get a much stronger one. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys.